Check this out. What are the odds not only one Calypso Coral orange with a black painted roof pickup truck comes in, but two? So the four-wheel drive one that I just posted a final walk around of, I sold that truck to Georgia, and the seller had the two-wheel drive version he was going to make into a highboy. A fella I've kind of become good friends with. He buys a few trucks off me, and he's like, well, I don't need two, so take this one on trade and I'll take yours. So some friends of ours had reached out and were looking to get into an old pickup truck, and they looked at my orange four-wheel drive, and it's kind of tall and it's kind of racy, had a built 390 in it. I didn't think it was the right fit, so I was like, you know what, a friend of mine has the twin and two-wheel drive, really nice truck. So basically just brokered this deal for them to take this truck, and he took my truck. But the odds of seeing even one of these trucks in original paint in Calypso Coral, check out this roof with this black painted roof, and then two in the same spot, that's factory textured paint to simulate a vinyl top. I've seen pictures of them on the internet, but I haven't had one in person. And then to just get the same truck in, it's a carbon copy. Toolbox, I mean, this is a 390 camper special. I think the other one was a 360 originally, but this truck came from Hollywood, California, came back to Albany, New York, about 45 minutes from my shop, sold to my friend in Georgia, and then back to 45 minutes from Albany, and now it's going to a couple towns over from me. I mean, look at the shape of this truck. This color is so spectacular. Another friend of mine and I were talking, this is just such an underutilized color. It's really an awesome orange. It reminds me of like kind of the Mopar Vitamin C or maybe Hugger orange. But in the videos, it really looks, the pictures, it looks red. But if you look up Calypso Coral orange, you'll see she's really orange. Interior's been done. It's not original interior, but Explorer package. Didn't even realize that. The seat was probably had plaid inserts in it originally. West Coast, these are full West Coast mirrors, so you got your 3 points. I was telling the guys buying the truck, well, friends of ours, when I was younger, we'd pull these off. They just seemed so, kind of monstrous. And now, we go out of our way hunting for those. And it's such a great look on these trucks. Looks like Dumbo with its ears up, but it's just quintessential pickup. This is a 69. I guess I should say that. The one I just sold was a 72, but optioned very similar, although this is an air conditioning truck. I guess this is add-on air, so you didn't have it's not factory air. I think this is dealer air. I believe so. So we got power brakes, power steering. This truck drives really nice. Nice clean engine. Seems to run strong. Got a little paint marking there. I love to see that. So cool. Just thought I would post this before it goes home. Just wild to see two of them in one spot. All you Northeast people know how rare it is for one to look like that. Got a good bed seam. Stock 16-inch steelies and caps. Crazy clean. So yeah, he was gonna four-wheel drive it, highboy it. I don't blame him. It'd have been really cool, but it's also super badass the way it is. Everything with these trucks is a mechanical interaction. Just opening and closing the tailgate. It's nothing like a new truck. Big old step bumper. Yeah, just thought I'd post it and show it all off before it disappears.